Hello all. This is another placement test project for Power BI Madrid House Data Analysis presentation. In this presentation, I'm going to present you all my findings and all my observations in this project. So let's begin. Here you can see the objective was clear: clean the data and prepare the data for further analysis and analyze how property feature affect prices, segment the market to identify top investment opportunities, and finally build an interactive Power BI dashboard for decision making. These are the number of columns which were given. So let's move on to the what were the problems section. So this project had few questions. First was to clean the data, another was to analyze how features affect prices. Then segmentation by house type, calculate average price, etc. And then finally create an interactive dashboard with filters and dynamic price, etc. Let's begin. First solution, data cleanup and transformation. So this data has empty rows. Alternatively, data set has empty columns. Many columns have wrong information entered. Some correction was required. In some cases, removal of null values was also required, and some columns were also removed. Let me show you. This is the data. This data has alternative rows empty, and some and there are so many null values in the columns too. So this was a very badly taken data. But no issue, this data was cleaned in the Power Query in the Power BI. And finally, this was transformed to a very clean and very good quality of data. Let's move on to the second question. Price analysis based on property features. So here you can see this chart and this DAX formula too. So this DAX formula was used to calculate the average buy price. And here are some observations. Average price of property is positively correlated with the pool. Having a pool increases the property prices. Now, another observation was average price is negatively correlated with green zones. Having a green zone decreases the price, but with a very few difference. And the another third observation was average price is negatively correlated with new development. Having new development is decreasing the property price, but again with a very few difference. Here you can see this. Having a pool increases the price by 50%, and having a green zones decreases the price by 2 to 5%. And same is the story with new development. Okay, let's move on to the next question, which is market segmentation for investment properties. This is the DAX formula used for doing this. You can see this average square meter price was calculated, investment rank was calculated like this, investment score was calculated like this. So using this DAX formulas, we get this data. Here you can see this. Market segmentation is done on the house type ID. Here you can see this, that the number of house type 5 is the most, which is 5,000. Then house type 4, then 1, and in the end house type 2. House type 5 is the most costly among all on an average per square meter. This is the observation from this data. And for top 5 most lucrative investment opportunities based on square meter and loan interest rate, we get these 5 properties which have ID and their interest, loan interest rate, and the sum of buying price. So yes, we can see this, that how these properties are the most lucrative investment opportunities. Now let's move on to the dashboard. Here is the dashboard part. This is the final question and this is the final part of this presentation. You can see here that average square meter price was 4,000 and the average rent price was 59,000. Total buy price of all the property in the dataset in Madrid is $14 billion, which is a huge amount. And the sum of total square meter built is 3 million square meters. Average loan interest rate was 10.98, which is roughly 11%. Now, you can see here how many properties had these attributes or not. Out of this total property of more than 22,000, as you can see in this, we have most number of individual heating and exterior developed in these properties, while we have least properties which are newly developed. So this dataset tells about all the attributes which are observed in this dataset. Thank you very much.